Welcome to a Starlight the Clown balloon tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make a balloon request that I get all the time. And it's a common joke if you go out doing balloon animals and some kid asks you for a snake, you just hand them a fully inflated balloon and it's a snake, hooray, hilarious. Here's how we do a snake, a cobra for real. First, we need to stretch and pre-inflate a balloon. That means we're going to blow it up all the way and let it go. Excuse me. Now that it's pre-inflated, we're actually going to take a cylindrical object. I like to use a drumstick. And we're going to take a small piece of the end. We're going to rubber band it right to the drumstick. Just like that. Doesn't have to be much left on this deal. There we go, just like that. We're going to wrap it around the drumstick in a spiral shape. All right? Nice and easy. Wrapped it around. Now that you have your stretched, pre-inflated balloon wrapped around your cylindrical object, all you have to do is inflate it. A little bit at a time. Now I'll adjust it. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Pull it out. There we are. We're going to use a bubble here, starting from this end. And then a loop. Just a little loop. Remember, this bubble at the end is always soft. Going to push it through the loop so that it looks like our Cobra has a hood. I'll put him like this and use him as a puppet.